Hello everybody. Today is 20th of January and the task that I listed here is for yesterday, that is 19th of January, as I said on my last video. And the things that I did on yesterday were, number one and the most interesting, and which I think will be useful for you as well, is I prepared the readme.md file for quiz 15 repository on my GitHub, and this is my GitHub repository for quiz 15, and I prepared the readme.md file, and it looks really, professional. And I made such a readme.md file for the first time. I mean, this good and this professional with good designing and all. And I also would like to tell you how I did it, and I did it with the help of an online markdown editor, which is DILLINGER. And here I edited it, and you can see the live preview on the right hand side. If I do anything, you can see the live preview on the right hand side. So DILLINGER is pretty awesome, and I encourage you, if you want to make markdown files and you want to make a professional looking one, and you want help like how to get started and what are the codes that we write in markdown files, then DILLINGER is a great tool that will help you to get there. And the next is, I did some lectures on MongoDB University, and as I said that I was really very much disappointed and angry with myself because I missed the deadline for submitting the first week assignment, and in which no way I can submit now. So I'm thinking of I don't know, create a new account and join the course once again, because this is a really bad start, right? Missing the first homework, damn. So yes, probably I'll do that. And I also learned some REACTJS, and I'm pretty much comfortable with REACTJS now, except with states and all. I'm pretty much comfortable with props and designing something and showing it on the web page. I'm pretty much comfortable with that. Yeah, with the state thing, I have to get more comfortable with it. And then I started a new React Native course. So earlier I was doing a React Native course from Steven Grinder. Then I started a new one because this one I'm kind of liking it more. But actually I'll be doing both. There I was doing I was doing the album, I guess, the album app. Yeah, I was doing the album app. And here I haven't started doing any app yet. I'm still on the basics, but this one is pretty cool as well. So probably I'll be doing both. And that's it. So whatever the tasks I'm doing today and tomorrow, I will post it on Monday. So hopefully you guys will will find something useful. So this is the whole motive behind it, that somebody who wants to become a web developer and is stuck or don't know what to do, or maybe doesn't have the right roadmap, or just needs, I don't know, some motivation, I guess, then probably this will be helpful for you. So that's it. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow. See you on Monday. I always messed up with my goodbye statements.